हाँ, मणिपुर, अरुणाचल क्या खाता है नागालैंड, कुछ पता है आपको भी?
हाँ, नागालैंड खाता है,
हाँ,
जो भी मिल जाता वो खा लेता है।
और मणिपुर?
हाँ, मणिपुर भी।
Hello everyone, my name is Siapong Sujaya and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about a social experiment on interviewing some people. So basically we, as a Northeastern, we face a lot of problems, especially when it comes to discrimination. So I thought that I will do an interview, like not really common like how others do, like they go on interviewing those Northeastern and ask their problems and they'll be like, I'm doing this, I face this discrimination, they call me chinky and they call me this. But today I will be actually doing the other way around and going to the Delhi people, like basically I'm in Delhi, so I will be interviewing the Delhi students or the Delhi, some people around. So I will ask them like what is the reason behind all this kind of, mentality. So let's get straight to the video. Hello. So what is your name?
Kritika.
Can you please name the states of Northeast?
मणिपुर, नागालैंड,
मिजोरम, मेघालय,
त्रिपुरा,
असम,
नागालैंड,
सिक्किम,
मेघालय, असम,
नागालैंड, मणिपुर.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
What do you think the Northeast people eat? What is our staple food?
Northeast food, I haven't ever tried.
Oh, actually, most of them are non-vegetarian. I like their food.
I think non-vegetarian.
I mean, I've never heard Northeastern not being like non-vegetarian. So, moreover, they explore a lot of things to eat. So, yeah.
I think pork.
Also, the snails.
Would you ever mind dating a Northeast guy?
I don't mind dating anybody. The person should be nice.
What comes to your mind when you think of Northeast India?
Football.
Okay, I will say this, but
Just say it, it's fine.
I mean, they have a little different features.
Mountains.
The seven sisters of India.
हमारा कंट्री स्टेट है मेरे.
Small eyes,
People who can speak English very well.
cool hair, cool hairstyle.
It's beautiful.
Girl with long hair, black, silky and straight hair. That's all I think.
And of course, hidden talents. So like, yeah.
So we are all aware of the fact about how Northeast get discriminated and stuff, especially even in the campus, outside, everywhere. So what do you think this is the cause? I mean, why is people considering us to be Chinese? Do you think like they should be educated well?
Because of the physical appearance, I guess. Okay, one of the main factor is that.
I think, everyone doesn't think it the same way, right? You have one people who treats everyone in an equal manner, and then you have somebody who may discriminate you on one or two ground.
Yeah.
But they don't know that it's not the origin but the destination that matters.
See, I don't see any kind of particular similarity between Chinese and Northeast. Northeast are part of India. China is a different country.
We live in what is an echo chamber, and when you live in an echo chamber, when you live your whole life surrounded by people that are just like you, and someone comes along who isn't like you can have one of two reactions. You can either treat it with a lot of fascination, or you can treat it with a lot of you can discriminate against it, or you can be not kind to it. And unfortunately, for some reason, we tend to take the other route, is what I believe.
Strict laws should be brought into practice so that the Northeasterns are not discriminated. They are not called out by names. We have come across people, North Indians basically, they call them chinkies, they call them by different names, they call them momo sellers. So if these laws are into practice, this thing would be avoided, and we would see less of cases.
And other than that, even sometimes people also misunderstand that I belong to the Northeastern because of my eyes, and maybe because of the language also.
So even I have been discriminated on the basis of my state. So it's not that it only happens with you guys.
Yeah.
It happens with everyone, with everybody.
I mean, people discriminate on various bases. It's just like mostly because we are judgmental, and we let our judgments come between the way we treat people.
Because there are diversity in India, Even if we go South India, we don't know what they speak, and their languages are also different, their physical appearance are also different. So, I mean, there is kind of a generalization is there.
लोगों की मेंटालिटी होती है, हर कोई नहीं होता. कोई नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न्स को बुली कर रहा है, वो शायद से महाराष्ट्रन्स को भी करेगा, या शायद से केरला के लोगों को भी करेगा, जस्ट बिकॉज कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा अलग हो जाते हैं अपीयरेंस में, इसीलिए ज़्यादा उनके साथ होता है.
I think it's basically because of the mentality that people have been carrying on. But I have seen change in that mentality nowadays, especially, and I think it's in process.
I think it starts with a very basic, with a very basic notion of compassion and kindness. It's very easy to say that we shouldn't discriminate against people, but I think it starts with the person. I also feel like at some level there have been policy changes. There have been certain terms that are derogatory that people used to say that have been now made illegal, and it's about time we take these policy changes into consideration. It's about time we start treating them seriously as well.
Actually, it's a problem of mentality. People vary on their opinion.
I think we always judge everything. But letting it take part when we are treating the people, I mean, like letting it affecting us is something that shouldn't be there. So I think that's the main thing we should focus on.
So there's nothing like you belong to that state and I belong to this state. So there's nothing like a sense of superiority. Right?
I didn't find any racial discriminations in the north of India. I'm staying almost 4 years. But what I'm thinking is, I came from Northeast, I'll find racial discrimination. So in contrast of that, I find, a good warm welcome from my friends. When I came for the first time in Delhi, my cousin brother has a blood cancer. But they helped me a lot in donating the blood.
So I think one of the first things that India can do to stop discriminating against the Northeast is to stop referring to these heterogeneous geographies as the Northeast, and secondly to stop colonizing these last parts of these countries that it has forcibly occupied under really strenuous circumstances, and to stop rationalizing it as the protection of the people. I think the army needs to be withdrawn from that area. I think the people of that area need to decide for themselves, especially because there's again, like I said, so much heterogeneity, so many differences amongst people there themselves, and so many claims to that thing that we call land. I think the first thing that needs to be done is the withdrawal of the state, the Indian mainland state, from the northeast. Yeah.
Thank you so much.